Just go steady, it'll go eventually.
Oh, that's it.
That's it.
One's my ride on mower bit, isn't it?
They're tiny, aren't they?
Yeah, a bit loose in there. Torque's not much on them, is there?
Not a lot.
That's actually fine.
One of those isn't got a thing on it. Fuck off.
I don't.
You fucking playing it? Knock you out.
If you want some, I'll give it you.
You get knocked out, Keith.
Shaking! Why are you shaking, Eric?
There's a papa rat humping the shit out of this mama rat.
£10.92 delivered.
That's cheap.
That's amazing, isn't it?
That's cheap.
Yeah.
Put your address here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cheap.
That's dirt cheap for GR9Bs as well. That's because they're not under anything else. They're not under like
just plugs. They could be for anything.
That's what I mean. So I
Generic.
looked for that. I thought, right, what's the model of them? And then I put that in. That's when I thought, well, hold on, they're 30 quid. Someone was charging 30 something quid or 20. 28 quid.
I'll put all your shit back on there. Well, we better leave yours naked, I think. It looks better like that. That'd look really good with just a headlight on it.
If you just add, yeah, if you just add like the headlight and the shroud
Reaching us where we break.